Have you ever heard the myth that if you sneeze with your eyes open, your eyes will pop out? Well, let's bust that myth. First off, sneezing is a reflex, and your body is built to handle it. Your eyes are held in place by muscles and connective tissues, so no matter how hard you sneeze, they ain't going nowhere. The real reason we close our eyes when we sneeze is to protect them from irritants and particles. So don't worry, your eyes are safe. So you stay informed, keep those eyes healthy, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more myth-busting facts.